Hey folks, it's Mia and you are tuning into my channel ZilaTrade. Today I want to take you through another trading day and share a couple of trades and provide some useful insights. Those guys who watched my first video remember that we are aiming for that 50k milestone. And guess what? If you take a look at the account balance now, it's already close to $11,000. That's like a 2x growth from our initial budget. And by the end of this video, I'm confident we'll surpass the 11k mark. Alright, let's pick a pair for today. Checking out my bookmarks, I see some promising percentages, and I choose Canadian dollar against Swiss franc. And now let's jump into the trading view and analyze the situation in more detail. And here is what we are looking at. I see a consolidation phase after an upward movement in the sideways range, and I suggest making out a few zones. We have got 3 of them, and it seems like the price has just approached one of those zones. And here we can see another upward movement and the formation of peaks. So guys, I believe the price should reach the upper resistance boundary since we've already broken through the previous peaks. And I think that we can open a long position from the current levels. Let's head over to the account and switch to the 3-minute time frame. And we are going up. While our trade is in progress, let's talk about risk and money management. When it comes to binary options trading, just like any other asset, current stocks, futures, and etc., it's important to pay attention to capital management. Binary options, despite being easy to use, are still speculative instruments that require financial investments. That's why we cannot skip money management. It involves strategies for allocating funds and increasing trading volumes as your capital grows. Money management also includes tactics for protecting your funds through investments, portfolio considerations, and other ways to handle your deposit wisely. Since binary options are generally a simplified trading instrument with only 2 possible outcomes, profit or loss, once the contract is placed, the trader cannot influence it further. That's why the number of capital management tactics for binary options is limited. And guys, let's go through them. Don't risk. Don't risk more than 10% on a binary contract, and I little disagree with this opinion. I recommend for more experienced trader to use 12-15% risk. But it's my opinion. Everything is up to you guys. Anyway, like with other exchange instruments, it's recommended to use about 10% of your capital in a single trade. To weather a series of losses while having enough reserves to continue trading. It's rare to have more than 8 consecutive losing trades. And during this time, you have the opportunity to adjust your strategy and understand the reasons for the mistakes. So guys, don't go all in. And if you are confident in your success, stop. Another strategy is use your profits wisely. From the previous capital management rule in binary options, the next one follows. Gradually increase your trade size. With each profitable trade, your deposit grows, and accordingly, the contract size should increase, as we calculate it as a percentage. And now guys, let's get back to our trade. and we see a beautiful upward movement, and our trade is almost over, and it turned out to be profitable. Congrats! I suggest sticking with the same pair and switching to the trading view once again to see where the price is hidden. So I see the price has reached the upper boundary, and we can open a trade for a downward movement right from the current position this time. And let's keep the discussion going on. Guys, keep in mind that it's best to increase the trading deposit based on the profit after a series of successful trades, when the profit is sufficient enough to make a noticeable difference. Following these rules for binary options will boost your confidence, allow you to use the results of your work, and encourage personal and capital growth. Continuing the topic of money management and risk control in binary options trading, we'd like to remind you about stop levels. Frankly speaking, this point is more related to the psychology of trading of our previous video, but it's still connected to capital management. Set the number of losses and the loss amount that would require you to review your trading strategy. Sometimes in a fit of rage and the desire to recoup losses, we make many impulsive trades. To avoid thoughtless capital loss, take a break, even if you feel that the trading is getting out of control. It will help you preserve your nerves and money. So guys, let's make a conclusion of this topic. Despite its simplicity, binary options remain a risky investment asset, so it's not advisable to relax in advance. There may be few capital management and risk strategies in binary options, but even they can help improve your trading results with this instrument. Approaching trading with intelligence is never redundant. And now let's go back to our trade and let's see the movement in our trade. So guys, how things are shaping up? I guess that our second trade will turn out to be profitable. I believe. Because our account amount must close the 11K mark. So guys, our second trade is profitable. Congrats. I mean, it's cool and all, but honestly it was pretty predictable. The price has reached a strong resistance zone, and as we've seen in practice, these zones always trigger a solid selling reaction. Well, I think we can wrap up today's video. Remember at the beginning of the video when I mentioned my plan to reach the 11K price level, we are actually seeing it happen. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Zero Trade, leave your reactions and share your suggestions for the next video in the comments. For more trading insights, join our Telegram channel Zero Trade. You'll find the link below the video. Sending you hugs, yours truly, Mia. Bye bye.